She keeps a Moet Chandon in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, she says, just like Marie Antoinette. A built-in remedy for Khrushchev and Kennedy. At any time, an invitation you can't decline. Caviar and cigarettes, well-versed in etiquette, extraordinarily nice. She's a killer queen, gunpowder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Anytime, recommended at the price, insatiable and appetite. Wanna try? To avoid complication, she never kept the same address. In conversation, she spoke just like a baroness. Met a man in China, went down to Geisha Minor. But then again, incidentally, if you're that way inclined, perfume came naturally from Paris. For cars, she couldn't care less. Fastidious and precise, she's a killer queen. Gunpowder, gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Anytime. Of a hat, she's as willing as playful as a pussycat, then momentarily out of action, temporarily